I think actually banning Tim Hortons from hospitals is a good idea. It encourages us to eat healthier. However, I think they need to have some good viable options for snacks, etc. Having recently had a member of my family in the hospital, often Tim Hortons was the only option open to get something. So I think they really need to look into other ways to have some other means of snacks.
I'm not really pleased at it. I think everybody should have their own choice of what they eat. And, I'm an adult, so I know if I want to eat healthy. And I think they should just let it be.
I think it's a little silly just because there are so few options when you're in the hospital. A lot of the time you are there for like 10, 12 hours at least, especially if you're going to something like Emerge. A lot of the food options are very sparse, even when they're open. It feels a little silly to ban donuts because Tim Hortons is one of the only places that you can actually get food in there, and that's one of their biggest sellers is donuts.
I'm not quite sure what the benefit of banning them is. A lot of people like donuts. One would presume if people are going to eat them, then it's good for their health. They're being watched by physicians and nursing staff at the hospital. I'm not convinced it's a good idea.
I feel like that is a little bit over the top. It's like, I get it, you want to promote healthy eating, but for healthy eating, that should be a personal choice and something that someone should try and do, and it shouldn't be something that is completely banned. People should be able to enjoy the donuts, and what if your favorite donut is from Tim Hortons? That's going to be very sad for you, and so you should promote healthy eating, yes, but that doesn't mean taking away all unhealthy things. And healthy eating doesn't just mean only eating vegetables, healthy things that people supposedly say is healthy. It's having a balanced diet. That's what I believe people should learn how to do.
To me, I think it's not fair because you have little kids that goes in and then they want a treat. So I think, to me, it should be allowed.
Tim Hortons, of course, is a national entity that we know. And what they're fighting against is healthy eating, I believe, the hospitals. They're saying it's not a good alternate to getting better for health. So I understand from their perspective, and I also understand from Tim Hortons' perspective, which is, it's a business, and they're giving people an opportunity for some food that they otherwise wouldn't have had.